Okay, welcome to Code Man's Auto. We got a 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 8L90 transmission, 8-speed, and I'm going to show you how to unhook the wiring harness going to the transmission. Okay, so we are on the passenger side of this 8L90 transmission, and what I want to show you is how to unhook the wiring harness or the bolt connector. This is all of the wires that go in and hook into the valve body to power the transmission. Now, the reason I'm showing you this is because there's a little trick to hooking this back up, and if you get it wrong, you could break this retaining ring and then you cannot get your connector to hold back against the transmission. Okay, so the first thing you'll want to do is pull out the red tab. This is a locking tab, and that will allow you to release the white retaining clip. You'll push in right here, and then you'll pull back on the retaining clip like that. And as you move this back, you'll see the connector will come out with the retaining clip. When you go back with it, if you don't push in on the connector, this is going to be locked up, and you could break this trying to move it, when all you have to do is push in on the black connector and it'll unlock it, and then you can lock it in, and then push your red locking tab in to lock it in, and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's how you lock and unlock the wiring harness on an 8L90. This is a 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. This is Code Man's Auto.